She is. She is.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is a different type of video I don't typically do on my channel, but baby, I said let me go ahead and film this. All right, so let's just jump right into it. I am quite nervous. All right, I am going to be dyeing my brows. I've always had fine brows. They have been like a little bit thicker or fuller. The hair has always been fine, and then just years of, you know, well, I stopped plucking my brows a long time ago, but I do shave them. I used to get them done, but I didn't really like the shape, so I learned how to do it myself. I'm not doing microblading at all.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
It's not for me. So the next best thing was to try henna. Woo! I've been seeing brows all over TikTok, or people dyeing their brows using just for men, but I was like, nah. And so I am an avid watcher and lover of Arnell Armand and her sister Alyssa Ashley, and Arnell used this henna tint for brows, specifically for brows. With it being my first time, I wanted to use something that was actually for brows and not something that's not, because I just don't want to mess up. Henna is it's just better, you know? Okay, I turned my fan on because it's hot. I think because I'm nervous. It's a semi-permanent, stays up to 6 weeks, no ammonia, no lead. This is the color dark brown. I'm not sure what color she got, but I just kind of assumed I would be dark brown. So I just want to say I've never done this before, so I'm a little scared, a little anxious. I wanted to film it. So anyway, you get all of this good stuff. Hold on. So it actually comes with a semi-permanent dye. This is the color, again, dark brown. It came with a brush, which I'm assuming that this is what you would use to apply the powder. The little dropper for your water, because it's just mixing it with water, and then you keep the rest of it in here. And this spoon is obviously to mix it up, and the dropper. And then you do get a little cup for measuring. See, I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions, get my life together, and I will come back. So I had to concentrate on this part, so I'm just gonna voice over real quick. I went ahead and opened the packet. It said to use about like a half of the spoon that's given to you and about 3 to 4 drops of water. And it's just like room temperature water, doesn't have to be hot or warm. And I'm just showing you guys the consistency. So what I did was I lined with a much lighter concealer so that I could just really see what I'm doing, and to make sure that I am actually using the product in the areas that I want to use the product. And so I think everything is pretty much self-explanatory, but you know, just in case. I hope I'm doing this right, because I'm a little scared to do it too close. I'm sorry, it's not in focus. I'm a little scared to do it too close. I hate like all the way dark brows. So I'm trying to leave like the front untouched, and then I might go over it if I don't like it, you know, if you can't see it. When I saw Arnell do it, she put a lot on. It looks like she put a lot on. So I hope I am doing it right. So this is how it's looking right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop here because I always can apply more. Then it says, so I'm gonna leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, or like 7 minutes. All right. So we have this 7 minutes. All right. And yeah, we're just going to pray. I think it's gonna come out bad. It may not come out bad. Oh God. So I have about, I don't know if I can see it, that much left in there. And it says this is good for like 8 to 10 uses, and there's 3 packs in there. So I love that. All right. It is time, people. I'm just gonna use this water that I have. It says a cleanser, but that's in my bathroom. So, well, I might have a cleanser over here somewhere. All right, let's see what we're looking like right now. Hold on. I'm gonna use like a little bit of like this cleanser stuff that I have. We're about to be real just ethnic over here. We're gonna make it do what it do. This cleanser. wipe this off. Okay. Uh-oh, that is one thicker. I think I did this one thicker. I mean, I can see a difference. But add a little bit to the front. I thought it was like, I didn't know what to expect. So actually, let me not jump. Let me always line. I'm gonna always line. I don't want to make no mistake because this is my face. Come on, somebody. And just gonna do that. And do that. All right, cool. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take the remainder because there is some more. And I'm just going to lightly tint that up just so it comes out a little bit more. I did want to give myself a little arch. I don't know if that's even gonna do much. I'm not going, I don't know, I'm scared. I do want more of like an arch, you know? Give me an arch like McDonald's. All right, so we're gonna let this kind of sit. I kind of like it a little light like this for now. I can always go over it, which is good. But yeah, I set my timer for 5 minutes. Oh, excuse me. You can always add, but you can't take away. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wait. All right, and wiping off that. Did it even do anything? I mean, it's light. I don't want it to look unnatural. But you know, hey, I feel like this eyebrow came out a little bit darker. It did come out a little bit darker and a little bit fuller. But the good thing is, eyebrows are not supposed to be twins, right?
Hell no.
I think they look good. I like them. Like, I'm not mad. I'm really not mad. I think they look really good. Could have been a little bit darker, so now I know the next time that I do them. But let me go ahead and just kind of clean them up a little bit. Right, with no makeup. I love it. This is perfect for summer because, as you know, we are doing water activities. If you do, you know, you're swimming, you're sweating, all that type of stuff. And if you just want to go barefaced and your eyebrows really aren't like, they're kind of patchy or whatever, I feel like this is perfect. The Just for Men might work a little bit better. I really don't know. I can't compare it. This is my first time doing it. I absolutely love my brows. I feel like they look very natural. In person, I can fix like an arch, but it's not that big of a deal for me. They look, you know, they're not perfect, which I'm not perfect, so I'm not tripping. I do like a good snazzy brow, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tint Idole Ultra Wear. I actually got the chance to work with Lancome, and y'all, I was so excited. It was over on TikTok, so follow me over there because I do post from time to time. I'm trying to get better. So anyway, it's in the shade 460. It's great for under eye for my complexion, but I tend to do it on my brows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up even more, like just snatch it to see how it looks. So it says 6 weeks. Oh, I love it. I just really want to fill this little section in so bad. But wow, I love it. Now the finishing touches. I know I'm extra. I would either use this NYX Thicket Stick. I should have got this in black, but you know, I didn't know. I typically just use mascara. Is the Benefit Bad Gal. Love this stuff. I get mine from Ulta. I get a mascara, and I do this to thicken like the actual brow hairs and just to kind of keep them in place too. Oh my gosh, I am in love. Wow. Microblading? What do you need to microblade for? Of course, we know this is just me being excited. Microblade all you want to, sis, but not for me in my house. We will henna. This looks so good. And it's so much more easier because I don't have to fill in my brow. Wow. Oh my gosh. So if you were on the fence, like I've been on the fence for a good minute, try this out. If you want to update, let me know. It says in 6 weeks, but I'm sure as I continue to film videos, you'll probably notice it. I'm not really sure, but let me know if you want to update. My skin doesn't feel weird. I don't have a reaction so far. Hopefully this lasts for me, but I really do like it. Let me know what you think. Have you tried it? Will you try it? Consider getting microblading done and you're nervous. Maybe this might be like something to try. You know, I don't know. See other options. This is nothing new. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. I know maybe the angle may not have been the best and like, you know, all of that, but hopefully you were able to just kind of see my review on it and just to see the outcome. I try to do it side by side so you guys can see how it looks, but I freaking love it. Love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.